air fried chili charga. This is a spiciest chicken recipe in your air fryer under 45 minutes. This is the fantastic bomb recipe for the whole chicken without the skin. Let's get into it.
Hungry is delicious, delicious. Born hungry is delicious, delicious. Born hungry is delicious, delicious. Born hungry is delicious.
My name is Omer, you're watching Mehraban Hungry YouTube channel. Today we are making whole chicken without the skin. It's gonna be air fried and it's gonna be having at least 13 different kind of dry spices, and it's gonna be called Chili Chargha in air fryer. Very delicious. If you like spicy food, this is the way to go for it. This is 3.5 pounds of the whole chicken without the skin, and I broke the chicken leg in here as well. So right now it's rinsed, it's clean. First thing we will do, let me tell you this, okay? This chicken is the sister of tandoori chicken actually. Call it Chili Chargha. So same like tandoori chicken, we will have cuts on the chicken. This is organic big chicken. So let's have some deep cuts on the chicken so all the dry marinade gets in there. We will definitely use some yogurt in there to make the chicken moist. Mustard oil for this recipe. And guess what? This is for the air fryer. Let's have some cuts on the leg as well. Deep to the bone. If you love chicken, man, make Chili Chargha recipe.
Look at that.
Let's have cuts on the inner thigh as well and inner drumstick. Again, this is a South Asian recipe, full of flavor, very famous recipe in South Asia, especially India and Pakistan. Spicy chicken Chili Chargha. So here you go, very easy to do. This is all in the marinade bowl. As I said, 13 chilies. These are 13 ingredients which goes in here to make the chicken the best flavor, the best spiciest flavor ever possible. Let's start with the regular chili powder. So we will take 1 whole tablespoon of whole chili powder in here. There are so many chilies coming up for this guy. Look at this. This is called Kashmiri red chili powder. This is not on the super spicy side. It gives the color to the chicken and it gives them mostly dry chili flavor. We'll take 2 tablespoons. Cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, smoky paprika. Crushed red chilies, 1 whole tablespoon in here. Let's take garlic salt, 2 tablespoons. So it's a garlic powder and the salt both in here. Ginger powder, at least 1.5 tablespoon. For the kick, we are putting lemon pepper. This is all dried. And here you go. We'll put 2 tablespoons in here. Half tablespoon of the regular salt. All the chilies, all the dry herbs, they are in here. This is what it's gonna give flavor. Now we will take plain yogurt, which will keep our chicken moist in the air fryer and tender at the same time. And yogurt will balance out all the chili flavors on the chicken. So take creamy yogurt, plain, at least 3 tablespoons for the 3.5 pounds of the chicken. Another main ingredient, you have to use mustard oil for this recipe. This is the must ingredient, I would say. 1 whole baking cup of the mustard oil, it goes in here as a lubricant on the chicken. White pepper powder, 1 tablespoon. Chargha means a charred chicken, especially in tandoor or oven, or this time you're doing in the air fryer. We have 1 more ingredient to go, lemon. Okay, fresh lemon in here for the acidity and to make the chicken more delicious. Fresh lemon juice. Now it's the time. Here you go. Let's do the magic. Rub all the ingredients. Make sure you mix all the ingredients on top. Get into deep cuts. Look at this creamy yogurt on top with the chilies and the mustard. Yum. So all the chicken is beautifully marinated. Chargha is ready. Let's turn on our air fryer. Let me show you the degrees. Let's turn on our air fryer. Put it on air crisp. Temperature is 360. Time is, let's do 30 minutes initially. So let's turn it on. It's on the pre. It's gonna take at least couple minutes to get ready. And in the couple minutes, our delicious Chili Chargha is fully marinated. So all the spices will kick into the meat. This is after 3 minutes later. Air fryer is ready. Chili Chargha is ready. Let's land this beauty in the air fryer. Okay, so here you go. perfect. The extra seasoning at the bottom, you see this? You want it spicy, right? So here you go, my friend. Enjoy this spices. And it's in here. Let's close the lid. Let this guy, the chili chicken, cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we will do a temperature check. If there is enough char on the chicken, it's okay. And the temperature is right, it's okay. If it's not, I'll give you the reality check to get the extra char on the chicken as well. Just give me 29 more minutes now. The spiciest chili chicken after 30 minutes. I was busy making some salad and a yogurt sauce because it says spiciest chicken ever. I got this recipe from Pakistan. I asked my cousin brother, he told me the recipe, what they put in there, so that's what we're gonna see right now. It's done. So it's above 165. It looks good, it's perfect, it's done, it's fine. 30 minutes, 360 degree. Alright, so the whole delicious chicken, all delicious chili chicken is completely ready. Here you go. Let's land it right here on our salad plate. If you are into spicy food, make this chicken. It has 13 kind of dry seasoning, dry peppers in here. This is the spiciest chicken ever we tried on this channel. Some of my friends, they love spicy food. South Asian people, they love spicy food. Let's dive in. Let's do a taste test now. So this is the whole leg in 30 minutes. Look at this, steaming hot, yummy. I'm sure it's gonna be spicy too. It's tender, yes. It's not dry. Usually air fry make the chicken dry, but the recipe, the ingredients, look at the juices. Look at this. The thyme, everything makes the whole recipe perfect. Ingredients, I showed you, man. You don't have to travel to South Asia to try this chili chargha. You can make it at home. This is all from a professional restaurant. So here you go. Whew. It has the kick all the way at the end, but it's yum. Wow, the sauces, everything, they are right here. These threads, they tell the shiny threads will tell you your chicken is tender from the air fry. Completely done. And the inside, oh yeah. Perfect. Subscribe, join, hit the bell icon. I'll see you on the next one. Take care of yourself. It's an easy recipe. Anyone can make it. Just have these ingredients. I'll list it all for you. Perfectly done. Look at the juices. It's dripping. Perfect.